My prophecy for 2024. Pay close attention to these prophecies, for it shall come to pass within the first 6 months of 2024. I see an animal coming. Oh, it's a very, very big animal. As I look closely in the realm of the spirit, I see it's a bull. I see a bull approaching. When it comes, it would make many people extremely wealthy. A lot of people are going to sleep broke and wake up filthy rich. $2 investment can become over $2,000 in less than a few days. The crypto space is about to go crazy. Crypto enthusiasts will do crazy numbers in the market. Oh, tighten your seat belts, fellas. We are heading to the moon. Get excited. The bull is coming. The next Bitcoin halving will usher in the bull run, where Bitcoin and other altcoins would grow astronomically. Oh, this is super easy. Just buy and hold great crypto tokens, and they would grow on their own. But there's a better way. You can buy those tokens and use a trusted and tested crypto bot to trade and grow those tokens. That's double growth. Bull run growth plus trade growth. The link in the description of this video is the oldest crypto trading bot with a vastly experienced community guiding you with coin selection and trade settings. A word is enough for the wise. If you are not following me, you may not see me again. If you are following me, congratulations. Your 2024 is going to be a very financially successful year. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.